I decided to be a dentist at a very, very young age. I think I was 12. Initially had some really good role models in the profession that I had spent a fair amount of time knowing their families and whatnot. They were great ambassadors to the profession, and I liked the fact that they were independent, not necessarily working in a corporate environment. They seemed to have the ability to provide some wonderful services to people. They seemed very happy with their choice and basically started me in that path. From there, I was very happy to find out in dental school that I actually did enjoy doing it, because there's always that worry, what if I get there and uh-oh, this isn't right for me? But fortunately, it's been a great choice, great decision. I enjoy it because we have the ability to transform lives. I mean, we can do some pretty amazing things now that even when I was training was not available to us. College, I went to TCU, great institution. Still a diehard fan to this day. Would go to way too many games and out-of-town games and whatnot. Fun place to be. The dental school here, outstanding school. Great learning experiences throughout the school. I used to kid with people that one of the most valuable things I ever did is for 2 years during dental school, I worked as a waiter, and that's where you really learn on how to treat people. As far as continuing education, extremely important process to do. The majority of materials that we use now, the majority of the procedures we do now, were not even around, basically, when I went to dental school. So one thing you have is the experience that you've built over the years, but then you really need to keep up. Our patients deserve the very best. It's a fine line between what's a new technology and what's going to be a proven, successful technology for the future. We need to know what's cutting edge. We also need to know what to integrate into our practice. We have the ability to bring some very innovative, interesting procedures, treatment to our patients, and I think anyone that comes to our office deserves to know what's out there and how we can better serve them. The most rewarding part of dentistry for me is basically getting to know our patients, what their desires are, what their wants are, how we can kind of match up our clinical skills with their wishes and desires, and when we do so, seeing the confidence it brings to them. We've had plenty of examples of people who've done some nice work that have gone on to entirely different careers, partially based on their increased confidence, and then just getting to know the families that we serve and treat.